Hello, in this video let's get acquainted how to track time in Asana and how to integrate it with Everhour. First, go to your integrations page, click on Add Integration, then connect Asana. You will need to enter your credentials and Everhour will sync all active projects you have access to, except those that are located in your personal projects workspace. You can see my Asana is connected successfully. Second step is to install our browser extension to see time tracking controls inside my Asana. I can click on install on this page. Everhour automatically detects what browser I'm using and offers an extension for it. You can see now this extension in a browser toolbar. It means I can go to Asana. You can see we're refreshing your page and start tracking my hours directly here. Let's open this project. So you can see tasks and you can see timer button next to every task title. If it's red, it means I'm tracking time into this task right now, but I can easily switch between tasks as well as open task details and simply adding time manually for today or for any previous date. Then I can click on my task total here and update the hours for this week or for any previous week. Together with just reporting time, I can also set estimates, which is amount of time to spend on a task in general, and I can give plans to me and my team. A task estimate can be total or it can be individual, and I can estimate my personal time. If it's a personal estimate, it will show up next to hours I reported into this task. Alternatively, I can track my time by clicking on the timesheet button that is located on the left side of your Asana interface. It shows all tasks with time reported this week, and I can resume tracking time with a timer, adding hours manually, updating them. I can add new tasks to this row. Some tasks can be bookmarked as favorites, so they always appear on this timesheet when your week starts, and I don't have to add them manually again. Now let's talk a little bit about features that are available only for those who have an administrator role. First of all, as an admin, you can set the billable status and the budget for a project. The options are here, right to the project name. When you click on them, you can assign your project to a client, set the billing type, and set the budget in the form of hours or in the form of fees if this is a billable project. I can then see the progress directly in my Asana interface. Let's maybe make it bigger. And additionally, I have access to the Everhour tab, which is the same as a project summary I can find by going to my projects page in Everhour. Please watch our video on projects to find more about this view. I can also see some of time tracking controls in premium Asana features like timeline and work and portfolio. Let me show in another account how it looks. So in my portfolio on list, it shows me budgets and progress, and I can change it here. I can then go into every project, open its timeline, and see hours against the estimate of every task. Now let's imagine a situation that you'd like to share your screen with a client and you want to hide this time. There is an option in project settings to show or to hide time tracking controls. So we still sync this project, we just don't show Everhour controls on your interface. When you end screen sharing, you can return them. And the last thing to talk about is the sync of data. Let's say something is outdated in your reports or on any other dashboards. You can run the whole resync of your integration by going to your integrations page and hitting resync projects. You can do this type of resync if you change the name of your project or archive a project and want our time tracking controls to be hidden. So in this case, you need to run the resync of your integration. If let's say you change the title of a task or update hours on several tasks in a project, you will then need to open projects and find a project here where a change was made. Then select this project and resync its tasks. You will do an update specifically made inside this project. That's all I wanted to share with you. If you still have questions about this page, feel free to contact us at askeverhour.com or click on the green question mark button to read other support materials.